Time for a small business shout out in Squamish today.
Yeah, that's right. Another installment of Operation Support Local. My little sister Julia lives in Squamish, and I wonder if she often frequents the Tall Tree Bakery. They are getting our shout out today. Mary, they're still open despite everything that's going on. They make delicious breads and other baked goods. I know, that looks awesome. They continue to support their community by donating unsold items to the Squamish Food Bank. They started in 2016 by husband and wife duo Sean and Eric, combining their skills of entrepreneurship and baking. They had a long-time dream of owning a bakery. That has come true. Times are tough right now. Beautiful space inside there. And the mission at Tall Tree Bakery to produce high-quality artisan breads and pastries from scratch while maintaining a clean label of ingredients. TallTreeBakery.com. They are still open. Go out and support them in the Squamish area.
Yeah, that's awesome, and I love that they're still, donating to the local food bank as well. If you have a local business that you want to show some love to, you can email us at comments@btvancouver.ca with the subject line local.
You know it.
All right, thank you.